To turn mobile data on or off on the Redmi Note 15 Pro, there are two ways. So first, swipe down to go to the control center and then find the mobile data icon. It's right here at the top, right next to your Wi-Fi icon, this one right here. So you tap on it once and that's going to turn off mobile data, and you tap on it again and that's going to turn on mobile data. Now, if you long press, you can actually switch the mobile data SIM card. So if you have a dual SIM setup, you can switch between the two different SIM cards for mobile data, and you can also turn mobile data on or off from here. So you can long press, turn it off, long press, and turn it on from here. So you can see mobile data is on. Now the other way you can do that is go into settings and then go to mobile networks, and you should see your mobile data switch here from where you can turn off or turn on mobile data. Thanks for watching and good luck.